Well, hey there, special lady. This is a great town. I am starting to fall in love with this town. Well, howdy, partner. Are you a fan of Jerky? I'm in cowboy country of Oregon, really enjoying myself here. And speaking of jerky, I got some fun flavors to try. Let's do it. Venison flavor. Meaty. Okay, I think they're probably all gonna be meaty. Buffalo flavored. It's good. Meaty as well. A little tougher than the last one. Elk. This one is hickory smoked. Very smoky. I am a fan of elk. I do love an elk burger. My favorite burger I've ever had. Elk. We got ourselves some ostrich, folks. Much tougher. Very unique flavor. It tastes like fowl. It's actually the most flavorful so far, and my favorite so far, wild boar. Ooh, that sounds really hard. Good flavors. I'm not bored of this boar. Alligator. Oh, hardest so far. Very tough. Not too flavorful. I have had alligator nuggets before, and I didn't like those very much either. By golly, we've got some kangaroo. I can't believe this. There's kangaroo in here. It's a little tough too. It's definitely different. I've never tasted a meat that tasted like this before. It is fun. There was a time in the town where I lived, they were gonna open a new restaurant and it was gonna have kangaroo burgers. And I was so excited to try a kangaroo burger and it never ended up opening. So I'm happy to try kangaroo jerky. And it's pretty good. And we're gonna end this sampling with some camel. One hump or two, I don't know. Smells fun. Ooh, it's not tough. Also unique. Something I've never tasted before. And it's good as well. You know what I have tried before? Camel milk. And it was also very unique. Would I have camel milk again? No. Would I have camel jerky? Yes, please. So my favorite jerky, ostrich. Least favorite jerky, I was gonna say alligator, but I changed my mind. It's actually camel. For some reason, the aftertaste was not very good. Did you know I've ridden a camel before? Well, I'm gonna end this video with a little camel ride. Thanks for watching. Bye. I want a camel, everybody. Woo!